Hello everyone, it's me Jebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add your signature in any document and image file in iPhone or iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly, just open the Files application. And now you can see here I have two files here. The first one is a document file and the second one is an image file. So in order to add your signature on the respective document or image file, so what you need to do is just click on it, and now at the bottom you will see here one pen like icon. Just click on it. Now on the right bottom corner you can see one plus icon. Just click on it. I will see here add signature, right? Just click on it. Now you can just write your handwriting signature. Just to give you an example, let me write. And just click on done. And you can see here it's being added. Now you can just drag it and place it wherever you want to place it, or you can change the text color also depending upon your needs, whichever color, or you can increase the text size. And now on the right top corner you can see here done. Just click on it. Now the signature will be added on the respective document, so you can see here. And now if you want to add a text signature also, it's possible. Once again, click on this pen like icon and click on this plus icon. So you can just write your full name, and you can add a text also. So this is how you can do on your document file. Now let us try to open the image file. Now once again, click on this pen like icon on the right bottom corner. Similarly, just click on this plus icon. Now click on this add signature. Now you can add your already created signature, or you can just click on this add or remove signature. If you want to add more signature, then just click on this plus and keep writing. Click on done. Now you can change the color, increase the text size. You can drag it and place it wherever you want to place. And once you're done, click on done on the right top corner. Now you can see here your signature has been added on the respective image file. So this trick's gonna work on the Notes application or Photos application also. So let me open a Notes application. Let me show you how you can do it. And just click on this icon. Now you will see here the similar pen icon appearing. That is a markup tool icon. Now you can just click on this plus icon again and click on this add signature. Now you can add the already created signature, or you can create a new signature again by clicking on add or remove. So let me select the already created signature. So you can see here I can add signature on any document or image file by using these cool tricks. So if you never known about this cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.